हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल साइंस क्लासरूम। सो आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.11 फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 1 दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस एंड फील्ड। So question is that a polythene piece wrapped with wool is found to have a negative charge of 3 × 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Estimate the number of electron transfer from which to which. And the number B is that is there a transfer of mass from wool to polythene? So we know that the charge on a body in terms of number of electron loss or gained by it is given by Q equal to plus minus NE. So if electron are lost, then charge obtained will be positive, and if electron are gained, then charge obtained will be negative. So we should keep in mind that a material particle always have some mass. So here we have to find the number of electron transfer from which to which. So I can write that N equal to Q by E. So we know that the value of Q is minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. So and then we can find N equal to minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and the value of E is, that is charge of electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So the value of E is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So we can write that 3 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 to the power plus 19. So which is 30 by 16 into 10 to the power 12. So which I can write that 1.875 into 10 to the power 12. So the value of N is 1.875 into 10 to the power 12. So the number of electron, therefore we can write that the number of electron transfer is 1.875 into 10 to the power 12. Okay, so there is another term, that is from which to which, that is the electron number of electron can transfer from which to which. So here the electron will be transferred from wool to polythene. Therefore we can write that electron can transferred from wool to polythene because polythene attains the negative charge, that means it gains the electron. So इसको हम लिख सकते हैं because polythene gain the negative charge. So the electron can transfer from wool to polythene. Here wool is positive and polythene is negative. Always charge is transferred from positive to negative. That's why in this question that electron can transfer from wool to polythene. Okay, the next is that is there a transfer of mass from wool to polythene? Yes, because in every particle has some mass. So the mass can be transferred from wool to polythene. So now question is that how much mass is transferred from wool to polythene? So इसके लिए हम कर सकते हैं कि the number of electron transfer is 1.875 into 10 to the power 12, and the mass of one electron equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Okay, and so here write that mass transfer from wool to polythene is number of electron into mass of one electron. So that is number of electron is 1.875 into 10 to the power 12 and mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So इससे हम लिख सकते हैं 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 18 kg. Thus 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 18 kg mass is transferred from wool to polythene. Okay. So the next question is that two insulated charge copper sphere A and V have their center separated by a distance of 50 cm. What is the mutual force of electrostatic repulsion if the charge on each is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 17? The radii of A and B are negligible compared to the distance. And another is that what is the force of repulsion if each sphere is charged double the above amount and the distance between them is half? So here I consider the two charges, that is QA and QV, and the distance between them is 50 cm. So and we have to find the force between the two charges. So we can write that QA equal to 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb and QB equal to 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and the distance between them is R, which is 50 centimeter, that is 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, now from Coulomb's law, the force between the two sphere is F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into QA into QB by R square. So that is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 by 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square, which can be written as that 9 into 6.5 into 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 2500 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so which is written as 380.25 into 10 to the power minus 5 by 2500 into 10 to the power plus 4. So which is that after calculating this, we got 0.1521 into 10 to the power minus 1. So इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1.521 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. Okay, this is the value of the force. So the force is also repulsive in nature because the two charges have the same in nature. And the question B is that what is the force of repulsion if T sphere is charged double the above amount and the distance between them is half? That is, if QA dash equal to 2 QA, because in there it mentioned that if the sphere of charge is double the above amount, and if Q dash B equal to 2 QV and R equal to R dash equal to R by 2, okay, then force is also considered as F dash, that is F dash equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q A dash into Q B dash by R dash, which value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q A का वैल्यू है 2 Q A, so 2 Q A into 2 Q B by R by 2 whole square. Okay, so we can write that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 4 Q A Q B by R square by 4, which is also 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 16 Q A Q B by R square, which is also written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 16 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon into Q A Q B by R square. Okay, so that is 16 also. This total term is considered as F. So we can write that F dash equal to 16 into F. So 16 into the value of F is 1.521 into 10 to the power minus 2. That is 1.521 into 10 to the power minus 2. So which is also F dash equal to 0.24 Newton. Okay, so this is 0.24 Newton. So this force is also repulsive in nature because both the charges are similar in nature. Okay, so thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.